Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a business page on Facebook and promote your Etsy shop or advertise your Etsy shop. So let's get right into it. Now, there is no specific need to connect Etsy to Facebook or anything like that, since what you're going to advertise on Facebook is completely dependent on your own Facebook page and how you construct it. And of course, you can leave whichever links that you want. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to set up a Facebook business page. I'm using the seller handbook on my screen right now because I do not have the requirements to set up a business page because I do not have a business or a full-fledged Etsy shop. But once you set everything up, you can go into your Facebook business page and pretty much just set it up specifically for your shop. You can go to your Etsy page, Etsy store, and you can very easily just find the link to your shop and just paste it anywhere in the description of the group and just place it anywhere where it'll be visible enough and people will link to it and try to organically lead them towards it. Other than that, you can link specific listings from your shop as well, not only your entire shop. Of course, if you have any discounts that you set up, you can advertise them on your business page freely, and you can also add links for a promo code which will give people a discount. For example, for first 100 people get a 10% discount or something like that. Very easily just promote that on your Facebook business page like that. And you can also add links highlighting recent reviews. If you get any reviews that are very good, for example 5 out of 5 stars, you can link those reviews on your Facebook page just to better promote your items. And you can also link a section of your shop to encourage buyers for a particular theme or category to see your listings. And yeah, that is pretty much it. The gist of it is you just need to create a business page on Facebook and just advertise there however you deem best. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.